Hello, let me show you a few tips and tricks for Huawei FreeBuds SE Free. So first of all, when you are watching some videos or listening to the music, you can actually change the sound. So right here you can find sound equalizer with 4 default presets. There you got the default sound, bass boost, treble boost, and voices. So it actually depends on what you are listening for or watching. When I'm watching videos, I'm switching to the voices. But when I'm listening to the music, I'm using bass boost. In my opinion, this is the best presets. Next, if you are listening to the music and you want to quickly change songs, you will have to open gestures. Now go into tab, and on the left and the right one, as you can see, you can change next song and previous song. So let me show you how it actually works. We have to first start playing this one, and now when we grab the left one, you have to quickly tap 3 times, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And if you want to turn next one, just do the same, basically 1, 2, 3, 4. If it doesn't work, just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now, if you want to change volume level, you can also do this by going to press and hold, and now select increase volume and decrease volume on the right one. So now when you are listening, we can simply click and hold on the left one. Now as you can see, it's actually turning up volume. If you want to lower volume, on the right one, you have to also click and hold on the touch sensor. And now we can release. If you want to play and pause, you can just click once. If it doesn't work, do this 2 times. And to continue, tap on the next one 2 times. There we go. And also we can find here some call control. So on either button, when you click and hold, when there's some incoming call, you can reject call, but on double tap, you can answer or end phone call. And also, if you are using voice assistant, you can change this one, the play and the pause, to wake voice assistant. And right now, if you are also watching some videos, you can turn on low latency mode by clicking on settings, and here you can just simply turn it on. If you have some kind of the issues with this device, you can try to perform a hard reset by inputting both earbuds inside the charging case, open the case, and then click and hold this button until indicator turns red. But also you can try to update software by tapping here and downloading new software version. And this is all tips and tricks for this device. Please leave a like and subscribe.